Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so this is Rislone's ring sealed smoke repair high mileage formula. Stops blue exhaust smoke, seals worn pistons and rings, reduces oil burning. Formula is to stop smoking older higher mileage engines. I've done videos on Rislone stuff before. Rislone stuff. Rislone, Rice One. I've done videos on this, the high mileage formula for engine treatments for ticking in a Toyota Highlander. All right, that worked. I actually did a video on that. That actually worked. So I have a question for you guys. Does this work? Does this work? Smoke repair is formulated to help stop exhaust smoke, reduce oil burning, prevent plug fouling caused from blow-by. Contains high-shear polymers which provide a seal for worn pistons and rings to stop blow-by. Customs cushions and coats engine parts, helping to reduce. So I tried Rislone high mileage formula, and I had really good whatchamacallit. It worked. I don't know if this works or not, and I need your help, guys. If you guys have tried this and it's worked for you guys, let me know whether it works. You know what, if I had a vehicle with this kind of condition, it's worth a try. It's like $6. It's worth a try, right? $6. I mean, considering the repairs that you would have to do, what that would cost, like, you know, $500, $600, $700, $800, maybe $1,000, $2,000. You bring it to the dealership. Like, if you guys think about it, $6 is worth a try, right? I mean, I'm guessing you guys have this kind of issue. Your engine's gonna be on the way out anyway, so might as well just put, like, if you like tried everything else, definitely. How is this not worth $6? All right. I mean, you're probably thinking, well, if I use this, I could cause that situation to be worse. But to be honest with you, I think if you're at that point where you're considering using this, it probably couldn't get any worse. The only thing is it'll probably be able to get better. But you're probably in that situation. You probably use this at the start of some issues that you might have. But if that's the case, if you guys have used this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether this is decent or not. What else? Leave a comment in the comments section, good or bad, pros and cons. 1,000 reviews is worth more than one review. Trust me, 1,000 reviews is worth more than one review. You guys check out the comments. When the comments start dropping on this video, you get like a really good idea of whether this is good or not. But I had some good luck with this. Like, check out this video. If you guys check out this video of mine, all right, I did this on some ticking. I already did that video, a couple of those videos, and it worked. So maybe this will work. Maybe this does work. All right, anyway, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Right, guys, take care.